Now we come to the exercise part. Open your books at page number 90 and complete this exercise with me. Come on. We are doing it today only on 14th December. So start doing with it. We have completed this also, right? We have done this. Now we have come to the language skills. Read the following sentences. The workers found that watchful villagers were sitting under the trees. Found and were sitting. The first of the sentence is in the simple past tense. Verb को उन्होंने second form में use किया. Find, found, found. And the second part is in the past continuous. Were sitting, ing form and was were. Now write the following sentences on the above pattern. Use the correct forms of the verbs given in the brackets. The villagers, verb की second form. Look की क्या होगी second form? Looked. The villagers looked at the birds were flying high in the sky. People, watch की second form. Watched. Cricket match on TV while we were swimming in the pool. The thief was catch का second form होगा caught, red-handed, stealing money from the purse. My friend speak का होगा second form spoke to me about his visiting Paris. Visiting Paris next Monday. The train moved so quickly that we were left standing at the platform. So in the first part we have used the second form, means we have used the simple past tense, and in the second form we have used the past continuous ing form with was were अगर लगना है तो. Read the following sentences. Seeing the damage along the route, I felt very sad. The word seeing is used as noun here. The root of this word is see, and the verb is, which is the verb. So by adding ing to this word, it can be used as a noun. So nouns are called gerunds. Seeing is also a gerund. Yes, we have already read about this. Gerunds are formed by adding ing to the nouns. Now make sentences making use of gerunds from the verbs. Make necessary changes if any. I not interest argue. इन्होंने they have changed this. I am not interested in arguing. My friend likes cycle. So we can write my friend likes. साइकिल का क्या बन जाएगा? Cycling. Clear? I am interested in knowing the truth. I am interested in knowing truth. द नहीं आएगा क्योंकि द है नहीं उसमें. He apologized, be late. He apologized for being late. बी है ना तो उसकी फॉर्म चेंज होगी. फॉर बीइंग लेट. शी इमेजिन मीट शाहरुख. शी इमेजिन्ड मीटिंग शाहरुख. Seeing, to see is believe. Seeing is believing. Complete the words with a, e, I, o, u. Sundarlal Bahuguna worked as a labourer laborer and a haw hawker. यहाँ ओ भी आएगा यू भी आएगा. Laborer and a hawker. Sundarlal now does his own photography. Very few in a country can afford to have luxury luxury cars. I don't eat meat, eggs and fish. I'm a vegetarian. Since birth he has been nurtured, means taken care by his uncle. Nurtured, take care. Add suffix able or able and write the meanings of the new words. You may take the help of a dictionary. Sensible. You write here only. So where you will write the meaning? Sensible, forgettable, forgetable, acceptable, disposable, available, responsible, reliable, exhaustible. So like this we have finished with this and you have to find out the meanings. Write the meanings, ये आपने खुद करना है homework. Do this yourself. So now rewrite the following paragraphs using capital letters and commas wherever necessary. So Menaka, यहाँ पे M capital आएगा, G capital. Menaka Gandhi says animals that are grown for meat graze on forest lands. यहाँ comma आएगा. Forest lands, feeding on young shoots. T capital. This causes the depletion of forest cover. In fact, forest cover has come down to an alarming 8% in India. More and more youth have realized that when you eat meat, you are in effect exchanging forest for meat. Cyclones, floods and droughts are a fallout of depleting forest cover. So with this we have completed this also. Here M capital, here J capital, here D capital, H capital means I mean to say this. So you can just write down here. Complete your work. I am sending you each and every word of your book as well as your notebooks. Still you people are not sending me the homeworks, the complete written work. It is your duty to send your written work in a PDF form to me. Otherwise I'll call your parents एक एक बच्चे के घर में मैंने कॉल करना है और पेरेंट्स को बोलना है कि ये काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, मैंने पूरा काम भेजा है। आपके पेपर भी मैंने देख लिए हैं, आप लोगों ने लगता है मेरे वीडियोस वॉच नहीं किए हैं। दैट इज़ वाई यू हैव नॉट रिटन द अप्रोप्रिएट डायरी एंट्रीज। मोस्टली द स्टूडेंट्स हैव रिटन wrong डायरी एंट्री. They don't even know the meaning of the amusement park, and they have written, what should I say, that they have written about the ordinary park. You people even don't know what is amusement park, and you people have written very wrong. I want to show this to your parents that what you people are doing. Teacher is sending you complete work, still you people are not doing anything. This is really bad on your part. आपकी गलती है ये, टीचर की गलती नहीं है। टीचर आपको सारा काम भेज रहा है और आप लोग काम नहीं कर रहे हैं। So complete your work. Now we are going to start with this Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. Now, who was he? When Aryabhatta, the first India-built satellite, was launched in April 1975, India entered the space age. The dreams of great scientists were realized. Though he was not alive to celebrate the successful launching, he is none other than the Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. So, our first Indian-built satellite was Aryabhatta. So it was launched in April 1975. At that age, in that year, India entered the space age. So the dream of the great scientist were realized. He was a great scientist, and though he was not alive when this satellite was launched, he was not alive to celebrate the successful launching, but he was none other than the Vikram Sarabhai, और उनका नाम था विक्रम साराभाई, who was the great scientist of our country. He was born on 12th August 1919 in Ahmedabad in an affluent family. Affluent means अच्छी rich family में पैदा हुए थे. His parents were generous and their time as well as money was spent on social work. They were quite generous. खूब हेल्प करते थे लोगों की, और उनका टाइम और जो मनी था, दैट टाइम एज वेल एज मनी वॉज स्पेंट ऑन सोशल वर्क. ज़्यादा सोशल वर्क में बिलीव करते थे. द साराभाई हैड स्टार्टेड अ स्कूल कॉल्ड रिट्रीट. सो ही हैज स्टार्टेड अ स्कूल दैट नेम वॉज रिट्रीट, वेयर चिल्ड्रन फाउंड अ यूनिक वे ऑफ लर्निंग. वहाँ पे बच्चों को एक यूनिक वे में, डिफरेंट वे में पढ़ाया जाता था. द टीचर्स वर ऑल्सो वेरी काइंड एंड affectionate. So Vikram earliest education was at retreat. तो उन्होंने अपनी अर्ली एजुकेशन कहाँ की है? उनके अपने स्कूल में. साराभाई ने जो स्कूल स्टार्ट किया था वहीं पे उनकी अर्लीस्ट एजुकेशन हुई है. ही वॉज वेरी गुड एट हिज स्टडीज, स्पेशली इन साइंस, एंड ऑल हिज टीचर्स वर श्योर दैट ही वुड मेक हिज मार्क एज अ साइंटिस्ट. सो फ्रॉम द childhood only, he was quite good in studies and his special interest was in science, and teachers were very much sure that he will excel in the field of science, and he has proved them right because he became a very great scientist of our country. So as a high school student he was fond of science. जब वो हाई स्कूल के स्टूडेंट बन गए, हाई स्कूल मीन्स 11th-12th, ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम हाई स्कूल को 11th-12th बोलते थे. He was fond of science. When his friends read story books, Vikram read about the achievements of great scientists. So during his age, when his friends used to love to read the story books, he used to read about the great scientists. Observing his mark as a science, his father encouraged him and provided all the books and magazines that Vikram needed. So when his parents observed that he has a very good knowledge of science and he is quite keen in learning science more, so his father encouraged him to go ahead to pursue his studies in science, and he provided all the books and magazines which he could provide to him so that he could pursue his education in science. So for today we finish here only, and we will continue it tomorrow from here. हम लोग करेंगे. अभी फ़िलहाल you complete your question answers and exercise of the Chipko architect and send the work to me.